Hi, Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Starbucks unicorn Frappuccino. So let's get started. To draw this cute Frappuccino, let's first start by drawing a straight line across. So this is going to be the top of our glass. So I'm going to come right about here and just go ahead and draw a line to say about that wide. Oops, and I am totally, well, it's okay. I thought I was a little too crooked here, but now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to bring the sides down for our glass. So I'm just going to work on this side and bring down an angle line. Keep going. To say maybe about right there, I'll stop. So we're going to do the same thing on this side, just trying my best to match the other side. And we just want to bring it back down to about the same level. And now that we have that, let's go ahead. We're going to round this off. And here as well, and connect it with a soft curve at the bottom. There, so we got our cup. So you know what? I do have this kind of very crooked here compared to the bottom. So I'm going to try to fix it here. I think this part is a little too high. There. Okay, a little bit better. Sorry about that. It's just hard because I can't put my head over the drawing. Okay, so now that I have that, we're going to come to the top, to about right here, and we're going to draw a bunch of curves. So, and we're going to head towards the top and the center. So I'm going to start about right here. And let's see here, I'm going to go maybe a smaller one, and then a bigger one, just to change it up. And then towards the center here, we're going to go up with a curve for our top little mound. And about right there, we're going to stop, bring it back down for this little mound, and then we're going to head down towards here. And we're just going to draw maybe just 3 this time. 2 and 3. There. So then from there, we're going to connect it just to give it more detail, and I'm going to do that very lightly as I can. And let's see about right here. Maybe another one, and then one more here. And you can just kind of curve it and connect it. There, just to make it look very soft. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the straw. So I'm going to put it right in here. So I'll start about right here and draw these 2 angle lines and just connect it with a soft curve right there. And then let's put in the details for our drink. So on the top right here, I'm just going to kind of wobble a little bit. Maybe this one can come down a little bit more and then back in. So this is just part of the cream from the top. And then of course we have to bring it to life. So maybe about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw these big Draw So Cute eyes. So let's go ahead and draw these 2 big circles. So I believe this is like a 10-year unicorn Frappuccino anniversary for Starbucks. So that means that's also an anniversary for me. Okay, so let's draw the other circle about right here, because I guess I drew this 10 years ago then. My goodness. So hopefully you like both of them. This one's going to be a little bit different. No Starbucks logo this time. So then from there, let's go ahead and make them Draw So Cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and a shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now with these eyes in, let's come to the top and we're just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And of course, let's give it this cute little smile here in the center. Right about there, and cap it off. And let's see. I thought it'd be really cute. Not sure if it makes any sense, of course. But let's add a little unicorn tail about right here. And if you want to do that, and I'm just going to pop it out and bring it in. Since I'm not adding a horn and any of that kind of stuff this time, I thought it needed something. So I'm just going to lightly put in some of these lines so you can put in more color. And of course, when you're coloring, there's these ribbons of blue color that goes through this Frappuccino. So I'm not going to draw that because I don't want these black lines. But I definitely do that when you're coloring, and add lots of sprinkles on top, just dots of color. And last but not least, I'm going to, let's put a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Starbucks Unicorn Frappuccino, the new one. I really hope you love how this one turned out and that I helped you draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.